Just the other day, I was binge watching a whole bunch of different viral YouTube videos just to study these guys' video layout so I could apply them to my own channel. But one thing that I noticed is that most of them weren't actually showing their face. And their videos don't even have any fancy edits, and they were still getting views and making money. And that's when I thought to myself, how could I pump out 10 times the quantity of these kind of videos while maintaining the same quality or even better at the same time to make more money on my future channels? And that's when I found this brand new AI tool that produces super engaging YouTube videos completely done for you in seconds. It literally picks your brain and takes your ideas and transforms them into YouTube videos with completed scripts, non-copyrighted background music, and realistic voiceovers with just one prompt. That's right, so stick with me because we'll be going over how to whip up these videos and 2 unique ways you could make money without even being a part of the YouTube Partner Program. To kickstart this video, super quickly, this free AI tool is called InVideo AI, but before you click off this video, just hear me out. InVideo AI is totally different from all the video generators out there and even the original InVideo that most of you guys already know about. Using any other AI video generators besides this one, you still would have to do most of your work yourself manually, like re-editing most of the videos that it generates because it's super boring without any voiceovers, while InVideo AI literally does every single thing for you, from creating a unique script for your video, adding non-copyrighted background music, adding relevant media, and a human-sounding voiceover, all from the idea that's in your head. Sound good so far? So let's dive into how this actually works. You're gonna head over to the official InVideo AI website, which you can find linked down below in the description. Once you're on the website, you're gonna create your free InVideo account. Next up, you're gonna click on Create AI Video. Slow down, hotshot. You don't even know what kind of video you wanna create in the first place. So for this, we'll be using ChatGPT to pump out some really good and viral-worthy YouTube video ideas based on our topic today, which will be about travel. I'm gonna go with this one. It's now time to paste our YouTube video idea in InVideo AI, but first we're gonna select a workflow. Now we can paste it. Let's change this to Montego Bay, Jamaica, because I'm very familiar with it, and add a few additional details so that we can receive the best possible outcome from our video idea. You could also choose how long you would like your video to be. Let's finish filling in the rest of the details for our video. All of this is really just based on what you personally would like your video tone to be or sound like. As you guys can see right here, InVideo AI literally just summarized our idea or prompt, and we're just gonna generate the video right now. Here we're gonna choose who we want our video to target and then watch as the magic happens. I'm gonna show you guys just a quick preview of what this video is actually looking like right now.
Ever had a chicken lay an egg in your beach bag? Well, that's just another day in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Now imagine this. You're lounging by the azure Caribbean Sea, reaching for your sunscreen, and instead, you pull out a fresh...
If you look down below the video, you have the option to basically tell InVideo AI to change anything within the video that you don't like, and rather than manually doing it, the AI would automatically get it done for you. Check this out.
Ever had a chicken lay an egg in your beach bag? Well, that's...
See what I did there? Or should I say hear what I did there? Well, either way, seeing is believing and hearing is deceiving. Now we have a lovely female doing the voiceover for our video. Don't mind the watermark, it's just a placeholder until you're ready to export your video. Remember that this was all generated by AI, so be sure to add your own personal intimate touches to make the video even more unique and engaging for the viewer. Moving on. So if you would like to edit the video without leaving the platform, it's quite simple. You just have to click the edit button, and it's up to you to choose whether you would like to edit the media or even the script. It's now time to export our video without the watermarks because let's be real, no one wants to click on a video and see any watermarks blocking their entire view of beautiful Jamaica, because that would defeat the whole purpose of them watching the video, right? So we're gonna click on the export button, and here you could just click on continue and you just wait. After waiting for about 10 minutes, 5 hours, and 23 seconds, here's the finished product. So I'm just gonna play around 1 minute of this video for you guys to see the quality without the watermarks.
Ever had a chicken lay an egg in your beach bag? Well, that's just another day in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Now imagine this. You're lounging by the azure Caribbean Sea, reaching for your sunscreen, and instead, you pull out a fresh, warm egg. That's Montego Bay for you, where the ordinary morphs into the extraordinary in a heartbeat. It's a place where the unexpected becomes the norm, where every day serves up a new, delightful surprise. A surprise egg might be hilarious, but it's just the tip of the iceberg. Montego Bay is full of surprises. Did you know Montego Bay wasn't always a tourist paradise? In fact, it was once a bustling sugarcane port, its sweet cargo shaping its early fortunes. But Montego Bay also played a pivotal role in the abolition of slavery, a chapter of history that resonates in its culture today. From the pulsating reggae rhythms to the mouth-watering jerk cuisine, you can feel the echoes of the past. So next time you're sipping rum on a Montego Bay beach, remember the rich history that flows beneath.
Let me know what you think about this AI-generated video down below. Moving on, here you could download the video, and InVideo AI also gives you a video title, description, and even video outline to make it easier for your viewers to navigate throughout your video. Remember, I promised to show you guys how to turn your YouTube channel into a money-making machine, and I am a boy of my word. I know that by now you must be wondering, but how can these simple videos make me any money? No need to wonder, my little dumpling, I got you. The method that we'll be using to monetize these videos today are affiliate links. Let's break it down simpler for the persons that don't already know what that is. You basically would promote someone else's product for a commission without taking on any risk of your own, trying to start a business that would most likely fail anyways and could lead you to losing your rent for the next month, and I wouldn't want you to be homeless. For this example though, the video that I just created is based around travel, so I would just do a quick Google search to find out what's the best paying affiliate program out there related to my niche or topic. Once you find the brand or company that you're interested in working with, you just go and check out their affiliate program structure on their website to see if it's a right fit for you. With this specific affiliate program, I'm able to promote links to luxurious hotels, resorts, and restaurants, and even activities located in Jamaica, and not to mention worldwide as well. It's all based on what you want to do because the possibilities here are literally endless. So try to be different, be creative, and please do not copy every single thing from this video and expect to see any results, because the amount of views this video gets determines your competition, and that's just me being real and transparent with you guys. As a quick example or reference to help you get started, if you should look down below in my description, you'll see that I have a few affiliate links to different softwares that I personally use and I strongly believe in, which is why I'm gonna share them with you guys in the first place. Which brings me to my next point, which is only promote a product or service which you strongly believe in or you know 100% that your audience would gain some sort of value from what you're promoting. And just by you guys clicking the links below and signing up for a free InVideo AI account, I would receive a small percentage if you do decide to upgrade to a paid plan. So if you guys want to help me pay my rent so I don't get evicted, just click the link and maybe subscribe. Oh, I'm talking about my channel. Well, maybe both if you can. Besides, this is a proven way to make money online without doing too much, because I know most of y'all are lazy anyways, just like me, which is why I pay my editors 2.5 million pennies per month. Oh, you're still here? Well, congrats, because I'm going to show you guys one more way to monetize your YouTube channel without Adsense. And this is still a fairly untapped method, so don't share this video with anyone else. Moving on, this method is called drop shipping. And to be honest, this business model isn't new, but at the same time, I don't see anyone drop shipping any products on their YouTube channels, and this is where the real opportunity lies. If you don't already know what dropshipping is, it's a business model where you would go to sites like AliExpress to find products for super cheap, and you would just create your own store on Shopify around that particular product with a 3 to 5 times markup price. And whenever you sell something, you pay for the product on AliExpress, and they would ship the product to your customer, and you keep the difference in profit without even holding any inventory. So back to the niche that I'm in, which is travel. I would literally just look up products related to travel and build my store around it and promote it throughout my YouTube videos for absolutely free. Just imagine you're selling a $50 product and one of your videos went viral and got around 500,000 views and just 1% of that converted on your store. That's around $250,000. And that's not all profit, because remember, you would have to pay for the product, so depending on your profit margins, it still would be a decent amount of cash even after you deduct those expenses. Look, I don't want you to get the wrong idea here, because nothing in this life is easy. While I agree that using AI will make things a lot easier, but without your brain and creative thinking, AI just won't work for you. I'm just trying to show you guys what's actually possible if you do decide to take this seriously and actually do the work that comes with it. Even though AI is getting advanced, I still wouldn't recommend you placing your whole life and creativity up to just AI, because it also has limitations. So if you're willing to be creative and try new things, you're guaranteed to see some success. Don't just follow what YouTube videos are telling you to do. Take your own idea from each and every video that you watch and go and be great. Additionally, you must always remember that starting a profitable business all boils down to you knowing how to sell and pitch your products in a compelling way, which is why we created a 4 exclusive ebook bundle which is designed to equip you with all the necessary skill sets to succeed in any business venture that you choose. It's only $30 for now, and that'll be in the description as well. Furthermore, if you would like to see more videos just like this one, you know what to do.